Welcome to iNet Insights, the leading online platform designed for gas detection safety. Your day starts in the hub. Choose a customized experience based on your role and access data that matters most to you. Access compliance documents, create custom reports on demand, or review KPIs for fleet health, uptime, and readiness, all in one place. Get alerts when someone is in trouble, and track exposure trends on an individual, team, or site level for people, not serial numbers. All of this can help lead to a 25% reduction in site incidents, 15% increase in uptime, and a 40% reduction in report time. That's smart safety for smarter work, saving you time, money, and lives. And it's all done with iNet Insights. Discover what iNet Insights can do for your team. iNet Insights from Industrial Scientific.